He's there to answer some questions.
What kind of crocodile are they?
These are alligators, American alligators.
Alligators.
Here comes another one. Now do it.
She's like, excuse me, him.
And as you take pictures and videos throughout the building, just make sure your flash is turned off on your phone or camera and causes shock in the darker areas.
There you go, Granny. Here one comes.
Just 2 fingers gently down their back without touching their tail. You'll notice these guys look kind of like
Look how big he is. I just found one. This guy, he's down here under there. He has a mouth. Look, this is what he is. He's a cat.
Wave, babies.
Yeah, there's a giant.
Look, Katie.
He's giant. That's a blowhead chili. There's a leopard. There's a leopard fish. I see it. Oh yeah, there's a leopard fish. Baby, look at that. He's pretty. He's under here. He's really excited. Oh no, we're not gonna get that pie off of her.
How much is it?
I don't know, Addie, come here.
Can you ask him how much is it?
I heard it. Hey, come out. Come out. See what you got.
What is it?